Hello everyone and welcome to this review and unpacking of the Cynova Osmo Action mini tripod. So this was a tripod which is also a selfie stick. It's telescopic, which was made for the Osmo Action from the DJI Osmo Action from 2019. So I bought this on a used marketplace, but it is brand new. So I just undid. There was something around. I just undid it right now, and I will open it with you live. So based on the specs, it seems like for me the best tripod, mini tripod and selfie stick, because it is very compact and has a lot of functionality. I think you cannot find it anymore brand new. So let's open it. What do we have here? A very nice package. You have here the main barrel with two parts. We will talk about this later. You have a standard GoPro mount and you have a standard GoPro screw. So if I unpack the barrel first, we have here the barrel. So you have two parts. If I unscrew it, you can see there is two parts. The bottom part is a standard tripod, but very smartly made. So you have a standard tripod with a 1/4 inch standard screw, so you can mount anything on this. And you have also some extension legs like this for it to be a little higher. So this is the bottom part. You have now a barrel with a standard 1/4 inch screw and a standard 1/4 inch screw. So you can screw this on. And if we unpack the rest, you have here the GoPro mount and the screw. So the GoPro mount is like this. So it's very well packed. It's not like some other cheap tripod. So you can screw this on. If I close it, and you can see that I close the extension leg in one move like this, which is really handy. And now if I pull this, it's telescopic. So as you can see, the only thing that will be missing, but you can add it later, is like a rotule in French. I don't remember the name in English, but like you can move like this, you know, a ball head if you want. And the last thing that I didn't unpack is the standard screw. You see, it's nothing fancy, huh? Just a standard GoPro screw, and you can just fit it here, and that's it. So that's it for this part. Now let's try to use it with a DJI Osmo Action. So I have here a DJI Osmo Action from 2019. It's the original one. And I have a TELESIN stand that I just bought off of Amazon before knowing the existence of the Cynova mini tripod. And so this one, it does the job, but I don't really like it compared to the Cynova one, because this doesn't stay very much in place. I had to put some glue. This feels very cheap. Here it feels very cheap, and when you pull it, it's not well made at all. As you can see, it just broke on me. So it didn't broke before, it just broke on me. So yeah, it's nothing very good. As you can see, well, I think I will dispose of this, or maybe to turn it back to Amazon, because it's really not good. So let's put this on the side. I wanted to compare it with the Cynova one, but maybe I will not be able to do it. So if we put the camera here, and now you can see fits perfectly well. If I pull, it goes out very, very well, no problem at all. I will put it in the biggest position, so we'll extend the legs like this. Now you have it like this. If I turn it, you can see that it works perfectly well. Like I said, the only thing missing maybe is the ball head here, but you can add it. If you want me to review this case, which is a special metal case where you have access to the bottom battery, you have access to the side door like this, you can put it in the comment and I will do it for you. That's about it. I mean, the other one is really, really bad, as you can see, it just broke on me. So yeah, if you can find this one, buy this mini tripod and selfie stick. It's very nice, very well made. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe, put a like, it really helps. And thank you very much. Bye bye.